We have seen Ukrainian drone operators encountering larger piles of mine that have ended in massive fireballs. While these anti-tank mines left out in the open gives Ukraine a rare opportunity to demine a larger amounts of mine at the same time, it lowers the potential losses in the future. But while we have seen the larger explosion, sometimes the result is the same but with another process. As seen here when a Ukrainian drone operator drops a grenade down at some mines. A small fire occurs in what is expected to become a massive explosion, but instead the fire just spread through the mine pile, as some explosive material could need an impact shock to detonate. While a massive explosion is more satisfying, the fire spreading through the pile does the same trick, leaving less mines in the ground. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.